Welcome to Flash Hive, your go-to channel for the latest innovations and adventures in technology. I'm Yasser Khan, and today we'll explore one of the most exhilarating vehicles in the automotive industry, the remarkable Tesla Model S Plaid. Buckle up and get ready to dive into the future of electric mobility. The pinnacle of performance. Let's kick things off by talking performance. The Tesla Model S Plaid is unlike any other electric vehicle currently on the market. Imagine this, an astonishing tri-motor powertrain generating a mind-blowing 1020 horsepower. This beast can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2 seconds flat. Yes, you heard that correctly, a mere 2 seconds. This feat places it squarely among the fastest production cars in the world. But speed is just one part of the equation. The Model S Plaid features an advanced all-wheel drive system, providing exceptional traction and handling, ensuring optimal control in various driving conditions. Whether you're cruising on a sunny day or navigating through rain-soaked streets, this vehicle is engineered to perform. Innovative design and comfort. Next, let's move on to the design and comfort of the Tesla Model S Plaid. This car features a strikingly sleek and aerodynamic aesthetic, designed not just for beauty but also for efficiency. The low profile and smooth curves enhance airflow, reducing drag and maximizing range. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious, luxurious cabin. With ample legroom and high-quality materials, every journey feels first class. The panoramic glass roof adds to the airy feel, allowing natural light to flood the interior and giving you an unobstructed view of the sky above. Cutting-edge technology. But what truly sets the Tesla Model S Plaid apart is its state-of-the-art technology. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive 17-inch touchscreen display. This central hub controls almost all aspects of the vehicle, from navigation to entertainment options. And yes, it gets even better. The Model S Plaid comes equipped with Tesla's advanced autopilot system, enabling semi-autonomous driving. This feature utilizes an array of cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors to monitor the car's surroundings in real time, adjusting steering, braking, and acceleration as needed. Picture yourself relaxing as the car handles the bulk of the driving for you, a true game changer in the realm of driving. Sustainability at its core. Let's not overlook the incredible commitment to sustainability that Tesla embodies. The Model S Plaid produces zero tailpipe emissions, making it a responsible choice for the environmentally conscious driver. With an impressive all-electric range of up to 396 miles on a single charge, you'll have the freedom to explore without constantly hunting for charging stations. And when you do need a recharge, Tesla's extensive supercharger network allows for rapid charging, so you can be back on the road in no time. Safety and reliability. Safety is paramount, and the Tesla Model S Plaid is built with this in mind. It features advanced safety technology that has earned it top ratings in crash tests. The low center of gravity provided by the battery placement contributes to its stability, while the robust suite of safety features includes automatic emergency braking, collision warning, and more. Tesla's commitment to safety is part of what sets the Model S Plaid apart, demonstrating that performance and safety can coexist harmoniously. Conclusion: experience the future. So, what are you waiting for? Are you ready to experience the future of electric mobility? Visit your local Tesla dealership to test drive the Model S Plaid. You won't just be driving a car, you'll be piloting a marvel of engineering. And if you're as excited about technology and innovation as we are at Flash Hive, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join us for more exhilarating content as we delve into the latest advancements in tech, automotive marvels, and more. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, drive safe and embrace the future.